Good morning, students. Today we are starting with the introduction of exercise 6.5. So, in introduction, we have Pythagoras theorem. So, if you have a right angle triangle is the triangle having one angle is equals to 90 degree. So, this is your right angle triangle. This is your right angled triangle. So there are three components of the right angle triangle. This component is called to be perpendicular. This is called to be hypotenuse, and the bottom component is called to be base. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. If this triangle name is ABC, then hypotenuse square, that means AB square, that is equals to perpendicular is AC square plus base is your BC square. So this is your Pythagoras theorem. So now we start with our question number 1. Question number 1 is PQR is a triangle, a right angle at P. It means the 90 degree angle is at P point. If PQ is equals to 10 centimeter, PR is equals to 24 centimeter, find QR. First of all, we draw the diagram. So PQR is a triangle and 90 degree angle is at point P. So this is point P. Suppose this is PQR. 90 degree angle is at point P. The value of PQ is given 10 centimeter. The value of PR is given 24 centimeter. You have to find the value of this hypotenuse. So we know that hypotenuse square by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is hypotenuse? We don't know the value of hypotenuse. Suppose the value of hypotenuse is x. So x square is equals to perpendicular is 24 square and base is your 10 square. So how we solve the square? If this is 24 square, then it means 24 is multiplied 2 times. So x square is equals to 24 into 24 plus 10 square means 10 is multiplied 2 times. So x square is equals to 24 into 24 is 576. 10 into 10 is 100. So x square is equals to 676. So how 676 can be solved? This is square. Square will become square root when it goes from one side to another side. This is square. It will become square root on other side. 676. How to solve this square root? So in order to solve this square root, first of all we have to take the LCM. 676. So it divide by 2 table, 3 3 8. Next it goes to 2 1 6 9. Then it goes to 13 13 13 1. So x is equals to under root of 676. 676 can be written as 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. So we will make pair of 2's. This is first pair, that is 2 into 2. Second is your 13 pair. So pair can be written as 13 2 into 13. That will one pair is cancelled with this under root and one pair is cancelled with this square root. You will obtain 2 into 13, that is 26 centimeter, which is your required answer. So next is your ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. So now the 90 degree angle is at this C point. So AB is given 25 centimeter, AC is given 7 centimeter. We have to find the value of BC. So again Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Now the value of hypotenuse is given, it means 25 square. Perpendicular value is not given, so you will take x square, and base is also given, that is 7 square. So 25 square means 25 into 25, that is equals to x square, plus 7 square means 7 into 7. 25 into 25 is 625 is equals to x square plus 49. This plus that will become minus on other side, that is equals to x square. So x square is equals to 625 minus 49 is 576. So square will become square root on other side. So you have to solve this 576. 576. First it goes to 2 table, 2, 16, 8, 16, 8, 2, 1, 4, 4. It goes to 12, 12, again goes to 12, 1. So this x can be written as under root 576 can be written as 2 into 2 into 12 into 12. So again we form this pair, that is pair of 2 and pair of 12. So the value of x will become 2 into 12, that is x is equals to 24 centimeter. So the perpendicular is 24 centimeter. That is your answer.